Mumbai. With me, Pinky Kedia, Treasurer of our Western India Regional Council, and Sanjay Nikam, the nominee of Goa branch and the Regional Council member. We all three are the official visit of the Goa branch. Friends, let me tell you, Western India Regional Council is the largest region of the ICI. In ICI, we had 5 regions, or we have 5 regions, in which out of 5, Western India Regional Council is the largest region. Today we all are here for officially visits to see the activity, and tomorrow we are inaugurating the sub-regional conference of the Goa branch. As a largest region of the largest accounting body of the global, we initiate 2 or 3 initiatives, out of which 1 or 2 I wish to highlight to the member of the Goa branch. One is about the project Punashya. Let me share you something about the project Punashya. When we visited in Tier 2, Tier 3 cities, then we come to know there are various female members. Because of a certain way in their family life, they are not able to restart their professional careers. Once they become a clear CA, then they took job for 2 or 3 years. After becoming married, they take break of 2 or 3 years. They are not able to restart. For that female members, we wish to restart their professional life. So we initiate a project called Project Punashya, in which we requesting each and every female member who are looking for job as a part-time basis, XCR basis, or even a work from home basis, they updated resume in our portal Project Punashya, in which we already tied with a very good 20-year-old HR company. We are aggregating both of them, and we are committed to place them in such a good company so they can restart their professional life. Recently, 2 or 3 days back, we already tied with one very health insure, a very unique startup for health insurance of a CF thumb level basis, and professional indemnity insurance, and the various activities we at the WRC are doing. Today we inaugurate the accounting museum, and we also guide the 12th and 11th commerce graduate student about the care counseling and what is the importance of chartered accountancy.
So for WHO of ICAI, this is the inaugural function of an accounting museum which has been set up under the guidance of WLC of ICAI. ICAI is an apex accounting body, and it is in its 75th year of existence. As an initiative, they have started an accounting museum in New Delhi, and they want this accounting heritage to reach to every part of India. So in that initiative, they have planned such replicas of accounting museum across India. And I am very proud to say that we are the first one in Goa to have this accounting museum, which show the heritage of accounting, how the accounting evolved from the ancient India to the medieval and to the modern. You can see various extracts from the Vedic era. Also there were mentions of accounting in Vedic era. In Quran also there is mention of accounting. Later in Italy, there was one person who wrote a book on double entry system. That is the whole evolution process of accounting. Finally we got into our
4 trillion US dollar economy, and in next 25th year, when we celebrate 100 years of our independence by 2047, our economy going to become a 35 to 40 trillion, 10 times of here. Friends, let me tell you, if someone asks me now what is the right time to do CA, I must say this is the right time. अभी कुछ टाइम पहले मैं एक बहुत सीनियर सी हैं उनके साथ बैठा था जो एंटरप्रेन्योर भी है. उनके पास लगभग 10 more than 10,000 लोग काम कर रहे हैं, उसमें से more than 150 चार्टेड अकाउंटेंट्स हैं. वो मेरे को बोलते हैं यार अंकित आप लोग बहुत लकी हो. मैंने कहा ऐसा क्यों? आप इतने बड़े एंटरप्रेन्योर हो, इतने सीनियर सी हो, आपके पास इतने लोग काम कर रहे हैं. उन्होंने बोला यार अंकित हम आज रिटायरमेंट की एज में हैं, और इंडिया की इकोनॉमी आफ्टर इंडिपेंडेंस आफ्टर 1947 टिल नाउ समवेयर अराउंड 4 ट्रिलियन तक क्रॉस कर पाई है. लेकिन अगले 25 ईयर जो यंग इंडिया के हैं, जो आप लोगों के हैं, यू गोइंग टू यू कंट्रीब्यूट इन टिल 35 टू 40 ट्रिलियन. आप सोचो कितनी अपॉर्चुनिटीज है. एंड लेट मी वेरी जेन्युइनली एंड वेरी सीरियसली टेल यू, इंडियन की इकोनॉमी में चार्टेड अकाउंटेंट्स का रोल इक्वली इंपॉर्टेंट है. वी आर द पार्टनर इन नेशनल बिल्डिंग. Please do think about this course, and Swati madam already tell about what is the importance and all the particular criteria. If you have any questions in your mind, please feel free to ask. एक जो टप का दिमाग में ना यार बहुत ज्यादा टप है, मैं नहीं नहीं कर पाऊंगा या नहीं कर पाऊंगा, जो स्कॉलर्स है वही कर पाएंगे, जिनके 85 या 90% मार्क्स ही आ रहे हैं 10th में 12th में, वही सीए बन पाएंगे। वो एक मिथ है। मेरे पास ऐसे 1000 एग्जाम्पल है जिनके कॉलेज में आपको ऐसे एग्जाम।
Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.